First, let me introduce you to the Mazda 2 diesel. But before diving into the details, it's crucial to share some key information about diesel engines. Diesel models require regular highway driving to keep the diesel particulate filter system functioning properly. A clogged diesel particulate filter can lead to severe engine damage, making this step essential for maintaining your car's health. The Mazda 2 initially launched with the choice between a 1.5-liter gasoline engine and a 1.5-liter Skyactiv-D diesel engine, which made its debut at the Geneva Motor Show. The gasoline engine comes in three power outputs: 74 horsepower, 89 horsepower, and 113 horsepower, while the diesel variant delivers a robust 104 horsepower. The Mazda 2 boasts a comfortable and straightforward interior design, featuring impressively supportive seats for a car of its size. Even after 4-hour drives, we emerged feeling refreshed and ache-free. The boot is generously sized for a super mini, offering of space with easy access and a deep floor, making it practical for everyday use. Now let's introduce you to the Mazda 2 hybrids. I want to share some exciting news with you. To boost the quality and sales of Mazda cars, Toyota, the hybrid masters, stepped in to add their electrification expertise. This move was a stroke of genius, leveraging Toyota's world-renowned reputation for reliability and innovation. The Mazda 2 stands out as one of the most affordable hybrid cars on the market. The Mazda 2 hybrid retains its familiar technical blueprint, featuring the same 91 horsepower 1.5-liter three-cylinder petrol engine. This is paired with a 59-kilowatt electric motor that powers the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission. The synergy between the petrol and electric motors generates a combined output of 114 horsepower, propelling the Mazda 2 hybrid from 0-62 miles per hour in an impressive 9.7 seconds. The choice is in your hands, but our research highlights two standout Mazda hybrids for you. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth information and stay updated with the latest news. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you.